Hello word. I'm Alex, and welcome to your daily dose of vocabulary building. Today's word is aluminium. It's a C1 level noun that refers to a light metallic element. So what exactly is aluminium? Well, it's that silvery white, lightweight, and incredibly versatile metal you see all around you. From soda cans to airplanes, aluminium is a crucial component in countless products. It's an element on the periodic table with the symbol Al, and its defining characteristic is its lightness combined with its strength and resistance to corrosion. In everyday language, we often use the word aluminium when talking about products made from this metal, like aluminium foil, aluminium siding, or an aluminium frame. Now, let's explore some synonyms for aluminium. A good synonym, though not perfect as it doesn't specify the material itself, is metal. For example, instead of saying this can is made of aluminium, you could say, this can is made of metal. However, remember metal is a much broader term. Another, more descriptive synonym could be lightweight metal. For example, the aircraft's body is constructed from lightweight metal for enhanced fuel efficiency. Now, because aluminium is a specific element, there aren't direct antonyms in the typical sense. However, we can contrast it with other metals that have opposite qualities. Consider lead, which is a heavy metal. So, while aluminium is known for its lightness, lead is known for its density and weight. For example, unlike the aluminium frame, which is easy to lift, the lead weights are very heavy. Another contrasting term could be steel. While some types of steel are lighter than others, generally steel is much stronger and heavier than aluminium. For example, the steel girders provided the structure's strength, while the aluminium panels provided a lightweight cladding. Let's talk about how you might use aluminium in everyday life. Imagine you're packing a lunch. You might say, I'm wrapping the sandwich in aluminium foil to keep it fresh. Or, if you're describing a new building, you could mention, the building has aluminium window frames. You could also say, the car's rims are made of aluminium to reduce its weight. You might hear expressions like aluminium cans are easily recyclable, or this ladder is made of aluminium, so it's easy to carry. Let's look at some usage examples in sentences and phrases. The chef lined the baking sheet with aluminium foil. The lightweight aluminium bike frame made cycling uphill much easier. The company specializes in manufacturing aluminium components for the automotive industry. The architect chose aluminium cladding for its durability and aesthetic appeal. Recycling aluminium saves a significant amount of energy. That shiny thing is made of aluminium. The price of aluminium has increased recently. The use of aluminium in the construction industry has been increasing. The new roof will be made of aluminium. This pot is made of aluminium. The airplane is primarily made of aluminium. The company decided to use aluminium for the building's facade. The bridge's structure includes a lot of aluminium. The window frames are manufactured out of aluminium. The structure is made of aluminium and glass. To summarize, aluminium is a lightweight, versatile metal that's used in a wide range of applications, contrasting with heavier metals like lead and steel. We've explored its definition, synonyms like lightweight metal, and how it's used in everyday language. Thanks for joining me on Hello Word. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others discover our show. Now, I challenge you to create your own sentence using the word aluminium and share it in the comments below. I can't wait to read them.